This is my 3D printed Minecraft ore lamp. Let's take a look on how I made this. As always, you start modeling in your favorite CAD software. Once satisfied, you can send the model straight off to your printer to begin printing. For this model, you're going to have to punch in the supports to remove them. Next, you're going to tape white pieces of paper on each side with holes such that the light refracts. Next comes the electronics. For this, you're going to need an LED strip, an Arduino Nano, a breadboard, and a few jumper cables. Once everything is wired up and you've uploaded the appropriate code, you are ready to go. What do you think about this Minecraft project? Be sure to let me know down in the comments. And as always, be sure to follow if you like this video.